In the AI arms race, we're often told that bigger is better. If a 70 billion parameter model is good, a trillion parameter model must be amazing, right? But in hospital we have a saying, don't use a sledgehammer to crack a nut. For many of our daily tasks, we don't need a giant all-knowing brain. We need a fast, precise and lean tool. Enter the small language model, or SLM. An SLM like Microsoft's 5.4 or OpenAI's GPT-OSS, or Meta's Llama models or Google's Gemma models have significantly fewer parameters, usually between 1 and 7 or in the 20s or low hundreds of billion parameters. They're trained on much smaller but much higher quality datasets. Instead of the entire internet, they're fed curated textbooks and high quality logic puzzles. This makes them incredibly efficient. They can often outperform models 10 times their size on very specific tasks like clinical summarization or medical coding. Think of it like the difference between an entire university library and the Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine in your pocket. The library has more information overall, but the handbook is faster to use, easier to carry, and has exactly what you need for the task at hand. The clinical benefit of going small? First is bedside speed. SLMs can run on a tablet or a smartphone. They provide near instant inference, which is vital for use during a consultation at the bedside. Second is privacy. Because they're small, they can run entirely offline on a local device and not attached to the internet. Patient data never has to leave the room. Third is sustainability. They require a fraction of the power and cost of giant models, making them more feasible for large-scale rollout across cash-strapped health systems. So that's small language models in a nutshell.